Let's generate 3D elements from image in Blender. First open Google and search for your photo and download it. Now we have to delete the background from any free website. There's a lot of them, but I choose Adobe. Now we have to go to website, which called Deep Anything V2, to take a ray copy from our image. Here we are, then download it. Now open Blender, add plane, then go to edit mode. Right, click, choose subdivide. Change number of cards to 30. Add modifier form to form, choose displace. Click new, click this icon. Click open and choose your image from your computer. Now go to object mode. Now we have to put our magic. From object, choose shade smooth. Click on modifier. From generate, choose subdivision surface and drag it above. Change to 3 and render to 3. And again, from the form, choose smooth corrective. Turn on only smooth and drag it above. Go to shading mode. Click new. From add texture, choose image texture. Click open and choose the real image from your computer. Drag color to base color and alpha to remove background. Here we are, we did it. Don't forget to save it for later or to share it with your friends. And if you want to watch more, click subscribe now.